Welcome to Italy, a land of rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Whether you're a history buff, a food lover, or an adventure seeker, Italy has something magical to offer. Today, we embark on a journey through this extraordinary country, exploring ancient ruins, picturesque towns, and breathtaking coastlines. As we delve into Italian culture and heritage, you'll discover hidden gems and world-renowned landmarks. So sit back, relax, and join me as we explore the best this beautiful country has to offer. Ready for an unforgettable adventure? Let's begin our journey through Italy. Welcome to Rome, the eternal city, where every corner tells a story. Our journey begins in this breathtaking metropolis, a marvel that has captivated travelers for centuries. Picture yourself standing before the majestic Colosseum, an icon of ancient engineering and gladiator battles. Venture further to the awe-inspiring Vatican City, home to the Sistine Chapel, Michelangelo's masterpiece that stirs the soul. Rome isn't just a repository of ancient relics, it's a living city rich with culture and charm. Stroll through its bustling piazzas, where locals and tourists enjoy espresso, gelato, and street musicians. My favorite spot is the Roman Forum, where remnants of Rome's past whisper tales of emperors and philosophers. It's impossible not to feel a profound sense of history here. Rome's charm isn't confined to its grand structures. It pulses through vibrant neighborhoods. From the artistic vibe of Trastevere to the upscale feel of Via Condotti, every district offers a unique experience. As we delve deeper into Rome's rich tapestry, remember, this city is more than just a destination. It's an eternal journey through time. Next, we head to Venice, a city unlike any other. With its winding canals, stunning architecture, and romantic gondola rides, Venice is a must-visit destination. Imagine gliding through the serene waters on a gondola, the soft melody of Italian songs in the air. As you pass by the magnificent St. Mark's Basilica, you'll be awestruck by its intricate design and historical grandeur. The Rialto Bridge, a pinnacle of elegance, offers breathtaking views and is perfect for capturing memories. Venice's unique charm is in every corner, where ancient buildings and narrow alleyways tell stories of centuries past. I've navigated these canals and explored these landmarks. Each moment was unforgettable. Venice captures the essence of timeless beauty and romance. Each bridge and stone holds history, making it a living museum. Whether you're sipping cappuccino in a quaint cafe or navigating the maze of streets, Venice offers a blend of adventure and relaxation that is truly unique. As we continue our journey, the magic of Venice will linger in our hearts. Up next, we'll embark on a voyage to another of Italy's magnificent gems. Our journey continues in Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. In this city, art and history come alive in a mesmerizing fusion. Imagine standing before the magnificent Duomo, its intricate facade and towering presence commanding awe and reverence. This architectural masterpiece symbolizes human ingenuity and artistic vision. As we wander through Florence, the world-renowned Uffizi Gallery beckons. Home to masterpieces by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Da Vinci, the gallery testifies to the city's pivotal role in the Renaissance. Each piece of art tells a story, connecting us to the vibrant creativity that once thrived here. But Florence is not just about grand monuments and famous artworks. It's about the spirit of innovation and exploration that permeates every corner. Walk along the cobblestone streets, and you can almost hear the echoes of the past. Or perhaps you're drawn to the calm waters of the Arno River, with the iconic Ponte Vecchio standing proudly across it. In Florence, history is not confined to museums. It's woven into the very fabric of the city. It's a place where every stone has a story, where every turn brings a new discovery. Join me as I reflect on the city's impact on my journey and feel the timeless inspiration Florence offers to every traveler. No trip to Italy is complete without experiencing the serene beauty of Tuscany. Imagine yourself surrounded by rolling hills, lush vineyards, and charming rustic villages. It's not just the scenery that makes Tuscany special, but also the flavors. Savor the rich, full-bodied wines and indulge in mouth-watering dishes crafted from local ingredients. Here, every meal feels like a celebration of the region's rich culinary heritage. Personal moments seem to come alive as you relax and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Tuscany offers more than just a taste of the countryside. It provides an escape into a world where time slows down and enjoyment takes center stage. As we move forward, you'll see the breathtaking beauty of the Amalfi Coast. Our journey now leads us to the Amalfi Coast, a true coastal paradise. Imagine stunning cliffs rising majestically from the sea, with crystal-clear waters sparkling under the Mediterranean sun. This region is renowned for its picturesque towns, each more charming than the last. Towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello offer unique experiences, where narrow streets and delightful cafes invite you to linger. Personal adventures range from leisurely beach days to exploring vibrant local markets and savoring fresh seafood. The Amalfi Coast isn't just a visual wonder, it's where relaxation meets adventure. Whether you're enjoying a sunny afternoon on the beach or hiking along scenic trails, every moment feels like a postcard come to life. As we immerse ourselves in this coastal dream, the beauty of the Amalfi Coast captures our hearts and imaginations. It's the perfect backdrop for making unforgettable memories. But our journey doesn't end here. As we continue, you'll discover more of Italy's captivating destinations and hidden gems. Our final destination is Sicily, an island steeped in rich history and vibrant culture. Here you'll find ancient ruins whispering tales of the past and bustling markets alive with the colors and flavors of local life. Sicily is a treasure trove of personal discoveries, waiting to charm each traveler. From the grandeur of its historical sites to the warmth of its unique traditions, this island offers an experience unlike any other. As we conclude our journey through Italy, remember that Sicily's wonders are just the beginning of the adventures that await. Start planning your trip and let the magic of Italy captivate your heart. From the historic streets of Rome to the scenic beauty of the Amalfi Coast, our journey through Italy has been nothing short of magical. Each destination has offered its unique charm, filling our senses with unforgettable experiences. Whether it's the rich history, breathtaking landscapes, or vibrant culture, Italy promises to enchant and inspire. Now it's your turn to discover the wonders of Italy. Start planning your Italian adventure today and create memories that will last a lifetime. As you explore this beautiful country, you'll find that Italy truly has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Buon viaggio!